Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Nissan Murano. First, ensure your Murano is parked safely. Next, grab your phone and navigate to its settings. Locate and turn on the Bluetooth function. It is also a good idea to make sure your phone has at least 50% battery life to prevent any interruptions during the pairing process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection. Now, let's move to your Murano's infotainment system. If your vehicle has a navigation system, press the phone button on the audio system, then select Connect and connect New Device. For models without navigation, press the Enter/Setting button, then choose Bluetooth and add phone. Your Murano is now ready to be discovered by your phone. With your Murano discoverable, return to your phone's Bluetooth settings. You should see My CAR appear in the list of available devices. Select it. Both your phone and the Murano's screen will then display a unique 4-digit PIN. Confirm these numbers match exactly. Finally, accept the pairing request on your phone, and your device will successfully connect to your Nissan Murano. If you encounter any issues, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, check that no other Bluetooth devices are currently connected to your Murano. Also, keep your phone within 1 or 2 feet of the infotainment system for optimal signal strength. If the problem continues, try deleting the paired device from both your phone and the car's system, then repeat the connection steps from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.